Here I would like to introduce an Android application that can be used for practicing Python program. First, go to Play Store and install Pydroid 3, IDE for Python. After installing it, let's open the app. Now I paste here a program already typed and arrange the alignment of each line. Then press on the play button. And we can see the output. I make some changes in the program. Making some changes, we get another result. Thus you can practice more and can prepare different output.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon also. Edge Video Zone.